This video explains how to operate the device using PCSnext. Open the Integrated Control Panel menu for the respective device. The LCD display and the 4 control buttons escape, minus, plus, and enter on the device are shown. The control panel in PCSnext is permanently synchronized with the device's user interface. Parallel operation via PCSnext and the device is possible. The size of the integrated control panel can be changed using the zoom in and zoom out buttons. The mouse cursor can be used to press the escape, minus, plus, and enter keys to navigate through the device menu. Alternatively, the C, V, B, and N keys on the computer keyboard can be used to operate the device. To use additional functions in the PCSnext diagnostic tool, the integrated control panel can be opened in a separate window. To do this, press the Show Content in New Window button.